Hello all, welcome to the lecture. Today we are going to see about the basics of automobile engineering, in which we are going to see the types of automobiles, vehicle construction and different layouts. So there are different types of automobiles. According to the body, there are two types of automobiles. One is the passenger body and second one is the commercial body. So according to the usage, the vehicles are classified into lightweight vehicles, that is light vehicle body. Examples, cars, jeeps, etc. The second one is the medium vehicle body. So under medium vehicle body, we can see about the minivans, example tempo traveler, etc. Third one is the heavy vehicle body. In heavy vehicle body, we can see all kinds of buses and trucks. So these are the general classification according to the usage of the automobile. So normally the vehicle consists of a backbone, that is the chassis. So chassis is the backbone of the skeleton of the automobile. So in chassis we can see all the components are mounted over the chassis. So the components are indicated in the slide. You can see here the chassis here, it is a ladder type of chassis. In chassis, over the chassis you can see the gearbox, clutch, radiator, engine, petrol tank, etc. So all the components are mounted over the chassis, which forms the backbone of the vehicle. So there are different types of vehicles. So different types of vehicles in the sense, according to the design and the type, the vehicles are classified into many ways. So first you are seeing about the vehicle, that is a car. Number one indicates the car. So this is the basic model of a car. The second one is the truck, that is a Punjab body. You can see the truck which is covered in a different way. So this is called Punjab body truck or a straight truck. The third one is the truck with half body. You can see the electric board vehicles and all, EB vehicles and all, you can see in this kind. So this is a truck half body. Next is the platform type truck. So it only has the chassis and the front, the driver compartment. So this is the serial number 4, that is a platform type truck. Next is the tractor. A tractor is the vehicle which is used to pull heavy loads. So this the serial number 5 indicates about the tractor. The serial number 6 with the articulated trailer. A trailer is a weight or a load that is mounted over the wheels, which is pulled out by the tractor. So which is coupled together so that it forms the tractor with a articulated trailer. The serial number 7 is the tanker. So the tanker you can see in the roadsides, which carries water, mineral oils, milk tanker lorries, etc., etc., fuel tanker lorries, etc., etc. So this is a tanker lorry which is used to carry the liquid substance. The next is the dumper truck. So this dumper truck is used to carry loads, as well as it is having the capacity to unload by automatic means, which is fitted with the hydraulic jack. So the hydraulic jack automatically lifts up the rear portion of the vehicle. So that is a dumper truck. The number 9 is the delivery van. Delivery van here it is used in a, post office and all, which is used to carry, that is a container which is more coupled with the driver compartment. That is a delivery van. Number 9 is the station wagon. This station wagon is used to carry more than 7 or 8 peoples. That is the station wagon. Number 11 is the pickup truck. Pickup truck is just a thing which is used to carry loads. So it is like a thing which is indicated in serial number 11. Number 12 is the Jeep, which is a four-wheel drive which is used to drive in the off-road. So that is a Jeep. So other than that, according to the engine mounting question, there are different kinds of layouts. The first you are seeing about the front engine, front wheel drive. Here, the engine is mounted in the front side of the vehicle, as well as the front wheel has the power to the power from the engine is transferred to the front wheel. So it is called front engine front wheel drive. The next is the front engine, but the power is transferred to the rear wheel. You can see lorries, trucks and all, you can see the engine is in the front part and the drive is transferred to the rear wheels through propeller shaft by means of the differential. So this is the front engine or the rear engine, rear wheel drive. Here the engine is mounted in the rear part of the vehicle. The drive is also from the rear wheels. Example Volvo. Volvo vehicles are mounted in the rear part of the vehicle. Next is the front engine four wheel drive. This is the example of the Jeep. The power is transmitted to the all the wheels, four wheels through a transmission box. So other than this, there are different types of chassis. Conventional frame. Next is the integral frame or monocoque. Semi-integral frame. That's it about the basics of automobile. Thank you.